the boat and let all the water come tumbling to the floor. We're all in the mood for some movement, but our ankles are getting sore. But we